విశాఖలో జరుగుతున్న సిఐఐ సదస్సులో ఇప్పటి వరకు 13 లక్షల కోట్ల పెట్టుబడులు వచ్చాయని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు తెలిపారు. మొత్తంగా గడిచిన 18 నెలల్లో 22 లక్షల కోట్ల పెట్టుబడులు రాష్ట్రానికి వచ్చినట్లు చెప్పారు. శ్రీ సిటీలో మరికొన్ని యూనిట్లను చంద్రబాబు ప్రారంభించారు.
Just now I am asking him how many countries are representing here. He told me 31 countries. Many world we have to create, minimum 50 countries, that is what I told him. More and more companies is one, more and more integration of countries also. It will help us to project that culture and integration in a big way. Even if you see here, Belgium, Japan, Singapore, Australia, USA, UK, Germany and all countries are representing here. Projects nearly healthcare, engineering, electronics and also consumer durables, food processing, packaging, precision manufacturing, automobile, medical devices. These are all various products they are able to manufacture. And also flagship projects, if you see, today we are inaugurating Belgium mobility and rehabilitation devices, Japan natural gas distribution, Singapore light engineering. These are all supporting advanced infrastructure and high quality employment generation. As on today, for the last 16 months, state government has attracted 8 lakh crores, 8.87 lakh crores we have sanctioned, clearances have been given. 2 days, nearly we are able to clean 13 lakh crores. That means roughly 18 months time, 22 lakh crores we are going to get investment. That is a historic achievement. I am very happy for that. I gave yesterday escrow account. This Sri City is having how many units now? Sri City? 240 units are there. Ask everybody to go for expansion or bring one more industry here. Their associations, all those things. Now we are giving another 2,000 acres of land is available. Government of Andhra Pradesh agreed to give another 2,500. That land is available, another 4,500. As on today, he developed 6,000 acres with 240 industries, 31 countries. Today I am fixing target for him, 50 countries, 500 or 450 industries, ultimately 1,50,000 employment. 1,50,000 employment, we will create a township there. Mini world. Not mini world, 50 countries means almost all. 1/3 of the world will be here, or bigger countries are all going to locate here. Then anyway he is aware of all those things. You have to build there one airstrip also now, so that very easy to come and go. Under hub and spoke model, one airstrip also we have to develop. Ultimately, our aim is very clear. This type of models are very important for employment generation. Once if you create this type of models, even somebody is producing some X product, that will be raw material or it will be useful for another industries also. And also very easy for common affluent plants, treatment, and also layouts and the net zero concept. This is where your rating should be. Energy, you have to go for solar and also all means, ultimately battery also. Finally, I want to see this industry net zero. Water treatment, water usage, everything. You have to go in that direction. Even what we call how to waste energy, everything he has to develop it. Ultimately, government is very keen to promote investment. By seeing all these things, we have started now escrow account with sovereign powers. Anybody wanted to set up an industry in Sri City, automatically everything will be real time. We will give all clearances. He is going to provide all infrastructure support and also water, power, everything they are going to connect it. And at the same time, sometimes for incentives, they are coming to government continuously, they are suffering. Some of the industries are becoming sick also because of a financial strain. Now we are giving escrow account with sovereign powers. No need to come to government now. We brought labor reforms earlier, infrastructure reforms, everything we brought. Now ultimately escrow account. This is the first time in India Andhra Pradesh government is bringing. We are aiming, as on today, 220 billion US dollars investment has come. We are aiming another 3 years time, 500 billion US dollars, 10 years, 1 trillion US dollars. 500 billion means 50 lakh jobs. Then ultimately 1 trillion means 1 crore jobs, 10 million jobs. That is how we are planning. I am very happy. Even you have to promote knowledge economy also in Sri City. Not only manufacturing, knowledge economy also you focus. That is the future. Ultimately, wonderful work has been done by Sri City. Sana Reddy Garu is doing very good work. I am seeing him. He is almost all dedicated for this project. He is working very hard. I wish all the best. Even we will promote your investment. We will bring industries. You service them. You also go all over the world. Your target is very clear now. 2-3 years time,